Set set the print R to only print select calls on Google Sheet Part 2. Set the print R to only print select the calls and Google Sheet Part 2. Number 5. Close file close file print from Google. Close file print from Google Sheet. Close file print from Google Sheet menu. Close file print from Google Sheet menu bar. Alternate, alternative, alternatively, alternatively press Ctrl plus P Windows, Ctrl plus P Windows, or Command plus Command plus Command plus Mash. Command plus Mash. Select sheet. Select calls. Select selected calls from the Select selected calls from the print drop from the print drop down menu right of the right. This ensures the ensures only the selected calls are print print. Number 7. Select select next at the select next at the top of the scan. Follow follow the select follow the standard follow the standard print follow the standard print process to print your to print your calls. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel and latest new video. Thank you so much.